Well, there are growing signs of corporate stress due to the liquidity crunch. Some are holding back on acquisitions, others on expansion. Here on NDTV Profit, we continue to take stock of palpable signs of strain.
No cash to buy, no cash to grow. Corporate India is under a liquidity crisis that's compromising its future. Companies in various sectors that are keen to grow through buyouts say the liquidity crunch is restricting their ability to buy global assets at a time they are cheap.
Across the board, many companies said that they would love to buy companies in the West because the prices were the lowest, but their biggest problem was that banks are not giving them enough funds, so there's a liquidity crunch.
Project firms, though, continue to get orders. They are facing margin pressures as the borrowings are up 30%. The company needs fresh funds but says it will wait for the interest rates to cool off before launching that exercise.
We're not planning any fundraising in these markets right now. Everything, all fundraisings are obviously on hold because the market is not conducive right now.
At India's largest shipping company, Shipping Corporation, the slowdown in global commodity trade is showing up. Shipping vessels negotiated in the spot market are suddenly seeing a drop in prices.
Today, what is impacting us the most is for the vessels which are on the spot. Definitely, as you have rightly said, there is an immediate slowdown of the trade, and particularly we see that volume of iron ore moving from India to China.
The liquidity crunch has come at a time when customers don't have money. Finance companies are not able to give out loans, and companies are facing a slowdown in the production. It's a vicious cycle, and there's no getting away just yet. In Mumbai with Shaili Chopra, Sonali Satpathy, NDTV.